Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unlocking another iPhone that is stuck on the iCloud activation lock screen using iCloud Fix Pro. Let's get straight into it. So this is iCloud Fix Pro. If you are new to this tool, it's available in both free and pro variants and supports a wide range of iPhones and iPads, including the latest iOS variants. To get started with this tool, first make sure your phone is connected to your PC using a USB cable. Once you connect your device, the software automatically detects it. Let me connect my phone. As you can see, the software instantly detects my device. It shows it's an iPhone 13 Pro Max Graphite and 128 GB. You can see the device is completely locked and asking for the previous owner's Apple ID. You can also see the device details here. IMEI number, serial number, iOS variant 26.5, and the activation lock status is currently on. Now let's begin the unlock process. All we have to do is click this unlock it button right here. A confirmation box will pop up. Just click OK. And that's it. The unlocking process has now started. While the process is running in background, let me quickly show you some of the other features included in the software. Here we have the IMEI check section. You can use it to check career information, blacklist status, SIM lock status, and find my iPhone status. You simply enter your IMEI number here and click this button. This tool also supports multiple languages, so you can easily switch to your preferred language from here if English isn't your primary language. And yes, it also includes dark mode, which honestly looks much cleaner. I will show it to you later. Another useful thing is the compatibility support. The software works with a large variety of iPhones, iPads, and many iOS variants, including the latest variant 26.5. Alright, the process is finished and we got a message saying the iCloud lock on your device has been successfully removed. Please wait for the device to reboot. And there we go, the iPhone is restarting. Perfect. As you can see, the activation lock has now been removed successfully and I can set up the device using my own Apple ID. If you look back at the software, the activation lock status has also changed to off. Now let's quickly check out their website, which is iCloudFix.pro. From here you can download the tool, watch demo video, check out supported devices, supported iOS variants, and view the latest updates. There are two variants of the software, Guest Access and Pro. With Guest Access, you can unlock one device for free. If you need additional features like unlimited unlocks, anti-relock protection, MDM removal, and priority support, you can upgrade to the Pro variant. Overall, this software is very beginner friendly and easy to use, even if you are not very technical. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, Make sure to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.